How to reset Deezer account. Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's episode, I'll be showing you the steps on how you can reset your Deezer account. Now, Deezer does not offer a built-in feature to reset your account directly with an app or website. However, you can make changes to your account by managing your account settings, including changing your password, email address, or a subscription plan. If you wish to start fresh with a Deezer account, you typically need to create a new Deezer account using a different email address. Here's how you can do. So first of all, in order to change your password, you need to log in into your account. You'll need to open up your application or maybe log in from your web browser. If you're using a web browser, type in deezer.com and this is going to take you to the official web page of Deezer. Right over here, you can see this is how it's going to look like. So if you already have an account, then tap on the three dot icon located right on top. After you type in Deezer.com, it's going to direct you to the official page. Once you're on this page, to log in into your account, click on the tab bar icon located right on top. Click on the login button, and over here you'll be asked to provide an email address that is associated with your Deezer account and then a password. So then to change your password, click on forgot your password, and to reset your password, you'll need to type in the registered email address of your Deezer account. So type in the email address, click on the send link button. This is going to send a link to your email address, and wait patiently until you get the reset link. As you can see that I've received a reset link, so click on the reset link email. Over here you need to click on the here button in order to reset your password. Now type in a new password, and to confirm it you need to type in twice. As you can see that the password has been updated successfully, and now try logging into your account and you might be able to recover your account. And apart from that, you can also change your email address. So for that you need to log in into your account, and after you're logged into your account you need to go to settings or account settings. Now look for the option to change your email address. You may need to verify your new email address by tapping on the reset link to your new email. After that, your email address will be changed, and once again you need to log in with your updated information. Apart from that, if none of these seems to be working, you can also change your subscription plan. For that as well, you need to log in into your Deezer account. Go to your account settings once again, look for the subscription or payment section where you can change your subscription plan. Now if you want to completely reset your Deezer account and start from scratch, including your listening history and playlist, and you would need to create a new Deezer account with a different email address. Keeping this in mind that any paid subscription you had on your old account will not carry over the new account, and you'll need to subscribe again if desired. Now in this way you can reset your account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.